everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my March monthly spread, and I'm doing it a little bit differently. I'm really excited because this month I'm going to be doing a rewind monthly spread. I was very inspired by Laura from Laura Lee Plans here on YouTube. She does the most beautiful rewind monthly spreads, and as soon as I saw hers, I was like, okay, I have to start doing that. So I have to give credit where credit is due, and give some credit to Laura over at Laura Lee Plans. But anyways, I'm going to be rewind spreading my March monthly in my Erin Condren Hourly Life Planner, and the kit I am using is from my mom's shop, BoodlesDoodlesDesign. I just did a whole video of everything she has available in her shop, so I will leave her linked below, so make sure you go and check that out. But this is the monthly kit I will be using. Obviously it's a lot of green because March was obviously the month of St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to speed the laying down of the base up, and then I will do a voiceover of all the day-to-day plans. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have the base of everything laid down, and something I didn't realize was the fact that we had 31 days in this month, and I like a Monday start, and that puts, well, that puts Sunday way over here, which means I have all these days. So my 30th and 31st are up here at the very top. I don't know how I feel about that. I truly don't. We'll see. I may end up switching it. I mean, this truly is just a rewind spread, so we'll see how it all goes. I don't know how I feel about it. I may have to get my mom to make me a Sunday start because I don't think I like that very much. But for right now, that will do. I don't know. At the end of it, I may decide I like it. So for now, that is what we're working with. Let me just block off these dates right here with these blank squares. So yeah, I didn't realize I was gonna have to do that. Now like my OCD is kicking in. I'm like, I don't know, that doesn't look right, but we'll see. You never know. I may end up liking it. All right, that is the base of the month using this kit here. So I just spread out these full boxes and everything, and I added some thin washi. This is actually from another kit that is in my mom's shop, but I really liked how the rainbow pattern looked to kind of break up all of that green, because there is a lot of green in this kit. So starting off, I'm gonna zoom you guys in and go to the first, and I may end up having to move our little guy over here because there's a lot that, okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do actually is move our little dude over here. That we this is all, see, this is what happens whenever I try something new. I think I have it all planned out, and then come to find out, I don't. I actually don't have it all planned out. We'll just put this over here. We'll put our little leprechaun over here on this day. This is what I get for trying something new. It's okay. You live and you learn. This is my very first one, and it gets better with time, right? I sure hope so. Because I feel like this is just a hot freaking mess right now. So, okay, now I can put this over here. Now I can get started with the day-to-day plan. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in and start with the day today. So starting on the 1st, I wanted to mark with a label from my mom's kit that I deep cleaned our house, and I'm gonna mark that using this little munchkin from Once More with Love. And then we had game night, and I'm gonna mark that using the sticker from the Fox and Pip. On Monday, I just wanna mark that I had a very busy day in the office, and I used an Holo Studio Co. doodle. And then I filmed a plan with me, and I'm just gonna use this girl from Stick with the Plan Co. and a script from my mom's shop. On Tuesday, I wanna mark that I did train my personal training client, and we had tacos for dinner, so we had a true Taco Tuesday, and I'm just gonna mark that with a little character from Sweet Kawaii Designs and Michaels. On Wednesday, I was late for work, and I wanted to mark that with this little stressed out office doodle girl from Planner Kate. Later that night, I did have a little bath to kind of relax from my day. On Thursday, I'm marking that I just had work, so I'm putting this little girl on this little flag from Erin Condren and marking it with a work sticker from Planner Kate. And we had pizza on this night, so I'm using a little pizza girl from Sassy Planner Co. and then a script from the Happy Planner. I'm going back to Wednesday. I did want to mark that I had a plan with me go live, and I used a computer from GL Designs Group and a script from my mom's shop. On Thursday, I wanted to mark that I went to the gym in the morning, got a good pump on while the gyms were still open, so I used a little girl from Pink Leaf Prints. And then I stayed the night over at my sister's house because she had a marathon that she was running. So I'm using this little girl who's traveling from Sweet Ava's paper. On Saturday, that was the day of my sister's marathon. So I'm putting a little run script from Planner Kate. And then I wanted to also mark that I was exhausted for the rest of the day because we had to get up super early for that. On Sunday, we had something very, very sad happen on the 8th. My husband's dog passed away, so I'm putting a little sad girl from Daily Dose of Stickers down. On Monday, I wanted to mark that I took a day off to spend time with Shane, to kind of, be there for him and comfort him. And we just had a little lazy day, so I'm marking a lazy day sticker from GP Studio. On Tuesday, I wanted to mark that Shane made the absolute most delicious spaghetti I have ever had, and I also got some happy mail, so I'm marking that with this little munchkin from Once More with Love. On Wednesday the 11th, I'm marking that I had a plan with me go live and that we had a friend stay over with us that night, so I'm just marking that with a little munchkin from Once More with Love and a little hanging with friends script. On Thursday, I wanted to mark that I went to the park with my sister-in-law and my niece. It was a beautiful day, and I just wanted to mark that we went out and got to enjoy the sunshine. So I'm using this little sunshine stickers from Wonton and a Million and Michaels. I'm using a little flag and the little Wonton and a Million sun with the two little people. On Friday, I wanted to mark that I went to the movies with my sister-in-law. We went and saw Onward, so I'm using the little girlfriends stickers from the Fox and Pip and a movie night script. And then I also wanted to mark that this was the very first day of spring. On Saturday, I wanted to mark that I had a little incident. I misplaced my wedding ring and kind of freaked out just a little bit, had a little bit of a panic attack. I also wanted to mark that I worked on my new filming space that my husband decided to help me build. So I'm just marking this little sad, upset girl to mark that I lost my ring, because I panicked. On Sunday the 15th, I wanted to mark that me and my husband went to Kima Boardwalk and had some delicious seafood with some good friends of ours. So I wanted to mark a little road trip sticker. That's from Sweet Ava's Paper. And it was also my nephew's 6th birthday party. So I wanted to mark that too with a little birthday script and a little girl, little celebratory birthday girl from Sweet Ava's Paper. On Monday, I wanted to mark that I worked a half day in the office. I'm only marking that with a normal work girl from Sweet Ava's Paper and a work script from Planner Kate. And I also wanted to mark that we had breakfast for dinner. We didn't have pancakes, but that was the one sticker that I had. So on Tuesday, I wanted to mark that I went and trained my client and that I helped my mom do some work on her Etsy shop. So I'm gonna mark that with a label and a little get to work script from the Happy Planner. On Wednesday, I'm just marking work as normal using this little doodle from Sweet Ava's Paper and a work script from Planner Kate. And I wanted to mark that I uploaded a plan with me and that Shane and I had a movie night and we watched Ghost Adventures with Zach Bagans, and he did a scary movie. This next day on the 19th, I wanted to mark that we went shopping, and this was the very first day that we noticed that the grocery stores were super empty due to coronavirus. It was absolutely crazy. So I wanted to mark this wild shopping girl from the Fox and Pip. Later on that night, I just wanted to mark that I had a bath, so I used this little bath script from Pink Leaf Prints and a little bath girl from Fox and Cactus. On the 20th, I wanted to mark that I was super excited because this was a day that I got Animal Crossing. So I put this little excited girl from Daily Dose of Stickers. And I also wanted to mark that I really had trouble sleeping this night. I don't know what it was, I just could not sleep. So on Saturday the 21st, I wanted to mark that I had just kind of a lazy day. So I'm putting this lazy day script from Pink Leaf Prints and this little lazy day doodle from Sassy Planner Co. I just thought it worked really perfectly because I couldn't sleep the night before, so I just wanted to be lazy that next day. And I also wanted to mark that we had pizza again this night. So I'm doing the same thing, just putting this little pizza girl from Sassy Planner Co. and a pizza night script from the Happy Planner. On the 22nd, I wanted to mark that we did more work on my mom's Etsy shop, and I'm just marking that with the little work behind the computer girl from Sweet Ava's Paper. And then I wanted to mark that that was the night that we had our very last game night before we decided to close it down due to Corona. This next day, on the 23rd, I wanted to mark that this was the day that I got laid off temporarily from my job. So I'm putting this little 3000% done doodle from Sweet Ava's Paper. This was also a day that I filmed a plan with me. On Tuesday, I wanted to mark that I filmed some workouts for my clients, and then we had dinner over at Shane's grandparents' house just to kind of get us out of the house, out of home quarantine, because oh my goodness, we have been going absolute stir crazy, let me just tell you. On the 25th, I wanted to mark that I went for a nice run. The weather was really pretty. This was also a day that I insanely cleaned and disinfected my house. So I'm using this little cleaning munchkin and some tidy up script from Pink Leaf Prints. I'm using this other lazy day script from Pink Leaf Prints because the next day after I cleaned so hard, I was like, you know what, I need a break. So I just used another lazy day doodle from Sassy Planner Co. And then I wanted to mark that I played Animal Crossing, and I was kind of not feeling it that day. I had really bad anxiety, so I just wanted to mark this not feeling it girl from the Fox and Cactus and a blah script from the Happy Planner. On the 27th, I wanted to mark that we did do some grocery shopping. We got some of the things that we needed from the grocery store. So I'm using a script from my mom's shop and this little girl from the Fox and Cactus. And then later that night, Shane and I just kind of binge watched some YouTube shows and just kind of hung out together. On the 28th, I wanted to mark that I found a couple of puppies that someone had dumped. It was really sad, but I rescued them and fostered them for a couple of days and managed to find them a new forever home. And we also had dinner at my parents' house this night, so I'm just marking little munchkins from Once More with Love and a Family Day script. On the 29th, I also wanted to mark that we had also had dinner with my parents on this night as well. It was just Sunday dinner, kind of some normalcy back into our lives. On the 30th, I wanted to mark that I cleaned the house again. I'm trying to keep my house really, really clean during this time. I hope everyone else is as well. And we watched a movie with my dad on this night. We watched The Invisible Man. Oh my gosh, that movie. I recommend everyone going and seeing it. It's so good. And on the 31st, I just wanted to mark that I went for a run and that Shane made some delicious chicken fried rice, and I'm just marking that with Poe from Sweet Kawaii Design. Okay, so that is it. This is my final spread of my very first Rewind Plan With Me. I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out. I think it's pretty cute. It's a little different than how I've been doing these months, obviously, but I really like it. I think it turned out super cute, and I was really able to get creative with my character stickers and my script stickers. So yeah, that is it, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay up to date on whenever I upload. And be sure to check the bottom bar because you will also find my Instagram down there where I share all kinds of planner posts and everything. The link to my mom's Etsy shop is also in that bottom bar, so just make sure you check that bottom bar because there's all kinds of cool things. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye!